Hey, crypto traders. I'm Kurt Wooker Jr. here with Matthew John to do the coin of the week. This week, we're looking at a coin with which we have some relationship over at Crypto Traders. We have done a CoinCast interview with Gert Yap from Vertcoin. Vertcoin, a fork of Litecoin, simple payment coin, but a simple payment coin with lots and lots of features. Vertcoin is an early adopter of SegWit. They have decentralized one-click mining integration. They have the way they've set their mining up, they don't allow ASIC mining. They will fork if any ASIC mining algorithm is discovered or created. So they are very GPU specific, very decentralization specific. And as a governance model, they like to keep things completely volunteer, completely decentralized. And they talk about nonstop. Vertcoin is a coin designed by and designed for the people. The reason it's the coin of the week this week is, well, not only because the chart looks good, but because Vertbase is supposed to be coming out at the end of the month. Vertbase is a competitor, I guess, to Coinbase, the name would imply, but they want to be a fiat gateway to buy with your credit card or your bank account directly into Vertcoin. So rather than having to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum and bring it over to a site like Bittrex or Binance, they want you to be able to spend US dollars directly and buy Vertcoin. So there's a lot going on in the Vertcoin ecosystem. They're good people to work with. They seem to adopt things very, very quickly. There's a fine news catalyst coming up over the next few weeks, and it's already starting to show on the chart. So the chart is super juicy. I'm going to pass to Matt so he can talk about what the chart looks like.
So right here we have the Vertcoin chart. This is the weekly chart of Vertcoin, and what I really like about this chart and what's kind of different than a lot of the other projects right now is that it's really holding this trend line, and that this trend line has been intact for over a year now. This goes back all the way to the beginning of March 2017. So now being the end of March 2018, we kind of see this bullish engulfing candle forming. And a bullish engulfing candle is when a green candle engulfs a previous red candle after a sell-off. So we see 1, 2, 3, 4 continuous weeks of sell-off here. So now we have this green candle that's pretty much engulfing this whole previous red candle and making up for all the losses that it had. So I'm really excited to see how this ends up playing out. I'm going to flip it over here to the daily chart and get a closer look. And yeah, this pretty much confirms what we're looking at. It's now 3-4 green days in a row. The volume is picking up a little bit, but it's nowhere near how it was back in November.
Mm-hmm.
So that's one difference, and I think this is pretty much all the way across Bittrex, and this is something I'm a little bit concerned about, is the lack of volume and liquidity on Bittrex right now. Bittrex, they've shut off the new user registration, so there's not a lot of new money coming in, and there's not a lot of incentive for people to keep trading on Bittrex if they're not even trying to really grow their platform. So it is a little bit concerning to me, and especially to Vertcoin. Because Vertcoin, the only major exchange they're listed on right now is Bittrex. So I think that catalyst of Vertbase, which means people are going to be able to go on Vertbase, sign up, register for an account, and they're going to be able to buy, sell, trade Vertcoin on another exchange. And what really separates them is the USD pair. So now you're going to be able to buy and sell Vertcoin directly with USD, which a lot of coins don't offer right now. I also wanted to touch on the roadmap here. They've been working a lot. You could see the in progress, what exactly they're working on right now, and I think this is a step in the right direction. You see the expanded Vertcoin exchange and wallet support. So Vertcoin is actively pursuing other exchanges. I see there's rumors of them getting listed on Binance and Bitfinex. Those would be the two big players I would be going after. Another one is KuCoin, which is a little bit smaller, or HitBTC. Those are two other, I'd say, mid-sized exchanges. So that'd be great to see them on there as well.
Absolutely.
Something else that I really like about Vertcoin, they just got added to the ledger. So you can now store your Vertcoin on the Ledger Nano S and Exodus wallet, which is the desktop wallet. We recommend it. Very great design, and a lot of coins are supported on the Exodus wallet.
Yeah. Yeah, actually, Exodus has been in a tear adding coins, but Vertcoin got added just over the last month or maybe 6 weeks, and being able to use it easily is one of the most important things, because Vertcoin really is a coin that's intended to be used. It's intended to be a means of exchange, and having simple wallets like Ledger and Exodus, I think, are a really killer catalyst for Vertcoin with Vertbase and everything going on. I think it's a really good opportunity to jump on a coin of the week.
And lastly, I'll leave you guys off on this note. What's next to come for Vertcoin? Well, one thing I see on the roadmap that I'm really kind of surprised about is the stealth addresses for their new wallet. So they're working on updating their wallet. They have a new UX UI design that's basically the design of how the wallet's going to look, and a basic wallet functionality, and an iOS wallet. So they're working on a few different wallets, it looks like, and integrating stealth addresses. Having that privacy feature is really going to be a big. Having that privacy feature is really going to be big, I think, in 2018.
Yep, absolutely. 2018, we've been saying it for 6 months now. 2018 is going to be the year of the privacy coin. If Vertcoin jumps on that, I think it says really good things for Vertcoin in 2018, which is why we are indeed calling it the coin of the week. And so take a look at the charts. Take a look at the risk, the entry. What would make sense? Where's a good spot to jump on it, Matt? Where would you be looking to make an entry on the chart?
So when I go and establish my risk reward levels, I like to use this tool right here. It's called the long position. So this is essentially going to tell you, if you took an entry here, what is your risk going to be? What is your potential reward going to be? So what I would look to do is move this tool to where I would look to jump in. And I would look to jump in as close to this trend line as possible. So if I were to jump in now and actually cut my loss, if it broke down here, it'd be about a 20% risk. And how I measure my gain is by looking at the nearest resistance level on the chart, which is going to be right up here at this level at about 45k satoshis, which gives us about a 70% increase if you took an entry right around 27k satoshis. So I would look to get in as close to this trend line as possible. This trend line's kind of hovering. The bottom of it is around 22,000 satoshis, so as close to there as possible. Probably around 30k or less would be my ideal entry.
Yeah. Cool.
But I see massive reward here if Vertcoin does take off, which I certainly think it can. Vertcoin being a fork of Litecoin, it offers fast payments, and they have a really strong community behind them. When we did talk to one of their developers, we got a really good insight. I was able to become a member of their Discord community as well. I encourage you to do the same if you're looking into Vertcoin as an investment, because that's where their community is the largest.
Yep, for sure. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Vertcoin, the coin of the week. I'm Kurt Wooker Jr. and with Matthew John going over the charts, talking about everything great about Vertcoin going into the next 7 days. Until then, you are watching us somewhere in the Crypto Traders universe, but you can find us on Facebook, YouTube, and all over the internet. Of course, you can always find us at CryptoTradersPro.com. But until next time, we will see you on the moon.